I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add funds to your Klarna balance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once you're in the app, go to the balance section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the balance section, look for the option that says Add Funds. Tap on it to proceed with adding money to your account. Step 4. Choose your payment method. You will be prompted to select a payment method. Options may include bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. After selecting your payment method, review the details and confirm the transaction. Make sure to check for any fees associated with your chosen method. Remember, if you're using a debit card, ensure that the card is linked correctly in the app to avoid any hiccups during the transaction. Happy funding!